Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars, and today we'll be attempting to fix this loose panel. Let's see how that will be done. Things I'll be needing for this project: I need a door handle with a bezel. There are two separate pieces. I would need 2 screws, and I will need these brackets or screw holders. I have no clue what they call them. I'll try to find it out. For tools, Phillips screwdriver, and you might need a pick. Depends. Mine does not have a bezel, as you can see at the moment, so I will not need the pick, but to take it off you need a pick to basically remove over here. To remove this cover you need a pick, and there's a screw behind it. Okay, so a little bit of a backstory on this car. When I bought this car, it was owned by a college student that did not have any clue about anything related to cars. And what happened is, for whatever reason, that panel was taken off and they could not figure out how to put it back together. So there's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, a bunch of holes around. They actually screwed it into the sheet metal of the door. Not good. It wasn't sitting right or anything wrong. So basically I took it apart, put it back together, everything is good to go, but it's still missing some pieces. And it was all good to go for a while until I replaced the door check. So now when you're uphill, you open the door, it doesn't go back and crash your feet. It's fixed now. And that introduced an issue. When I want to pull the door, it pops off from the clips. So today, hopefully, we will go ahead and get that fixed. Okay, so to take the door panel, you got 1 screw here behind the bezel, as we talked about earlier. We had another screw over here, and there's a 3rd one on the bottom, on that corner, and the 4th one is over here. So I'll start with this one. There you go, got it. Alright. The one thing different in my car than most of Kia Rios, this one have electric windows. A lot of, or most of the Kia Rios I've seen so far have manual windows or crank windows. And basically that's one of the main reasons why I'm trying to fix it rather than replacing the whole panel, because I did not find any used panel in the market to do, not even new ones. Anyway, so once you take these, you pull on it like this to release the clips, and over here you lift up, take it off. Now you should take this, but mine, I've taken it so many different times that it doesn't even matter at this point. We got 2 connectors here. There you go. Now the panel is off. Now let's move our focus to the next piece, the door handle. Now why I'm replacing this, because originally this handle was broken from here, so when you pull on it, it doesn't go back, it doesn't spring. So I went to a pick yard or pick junkyard before to look for the pieces I need, and I did not find any Kia Rio, but instead I found Hyundai Accent. Basically the body of the door handle will fit 100%. The issue is the bezel does not fit. The bezel for the Accent is different than the bezel for the Rio, and the proportion of the handle itself is different. But if you're in a pinch, you needed door handle like this, and the only thing you found is for an Accent, or you have an Accent, the only thing you found is Rio, they will fit, but the bezels will not fit, and that will introduce an issue as I am having now, because the bezel is part of what's holding the door panel together. Now that being said, there's one screw over here. And what you need to do is slide back and out. Now on the back, you notice over here, there is 2 clips. You just pop them off. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but you can pop them off. There you go. Now, as you notice over here, there's 2 clips. You need to unclip it and out, unclip it and out. Okay, let's go back with a new piece. Okay, let's get the other one in. Okay, and we need to clip him back in. Okay, the door lock works, door handle works, door lock works. Okay, now as you notice over here, there are grooves. You need to fit these into these grooves. You will have 3 of them. Oh, it went off on me. I'll try to push it back in better. Okay, I'll try to clip it and I'll get back to you. Alright, I got them in good this time. I used a vice grip and, you know, placed it in the back, pushed it in, it worked. Okay, the next step. As I was mentioning, there's 3 places where you can hook it up to. Hook it in and then push it back. Now it sits in its place. And now, as you look over here, there's an empty hole in this area over here. So this needs to have one of those, which is the same thing as over here. While I have new ones, I'll replace both of them. Okay, this is one. I don't really need to replace this one, but I already have new ones. Why not? There you go. Okay. And now I'll move the camera back and put the panel together. Alright, one thing to do before I put the panel together, make it much easier for me to do so. Basically, I'll take this out. There you go. We'll put it on the side. And also, I need to take this out and clip it to the panel itself. Okay, let's take a look over here on the panel. Just make sure you have all the clips all the way around. I'm missing this one. I'll put it back in. This one. Okay. Now it's time to have fun and try put this back. The way I found is the best to do it. You need to hook up the top first, then clip everything down. I do have the windows up. I should have them down. So, okay, as I said, I hooked up the two connectors on the bottom. You put this lip up. You see? It's all solid. Okay. The most important thing to do at this point is you need to match the yellow clip over here with the hole. Okay? Once you match them up, give it a whack. As you can see, this hole is matching up too. Okay. Let's put this back together. Now it looks like a door panel. The next step, the door bezel. And see how this thing fits. If you put the Hyundai Accent one, it will not fit. The frame itself fits and it works, but the bezel will not work. As you can see, let's test it out again. Works. Okay. Okay. The next screw is over here. And the third one on the bottom. Okay? And now, as you can see, it's very solid. I hope you liked the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. and have a good day. For the eagle eye, guys, I forgot to put the screw back in here in the door handle itself. So I took it apart and putting it in. No extra screws.